Hey, Math 7 students. So far in this unit, we haven't had a real hard con. This one, if you don't pay attention, will be your first hard con. This one will be the one that will get you. But if you pay attention here, it's not as hard as it might come across sometimes. So here's what I kind of mean by that. So we need to find the area of the shaded region of this shape right here. So you'll notice there's this little circle right here that is not shaded. And here's a big portion that is shaded. So we need to find the area of both this big rectangle and the area of this circle, and then subtract the circle away from the big area. So let's do the shaded area first um, of the rectangle here. So we have an 11 by 6 that we're going to multiply, or 11 by 12, sorry, 11 by 12 rectangle. And let's see, 11 times 12 equals, what does 11 times 12 equal? 132. So the area of the square is 130, or the rectangle is 132. Now, we need to find the area of that circle. Remember that the area of a circle is pi, which is 3.14 times the radius is 1 squared. And you can kind of see I'm doing this live. Oh, someone came on. Hold on, I'm pausing. All right, so let's see, I'm back now. I had to pause for a moment there. So let's see if I can get this. Oh, what happened here? Let's try this. Oh no, that went wrong. Let me undo what I just did there. Boom. Now, let's get this straight. All right, so we got the 1 squared. And when we do that, the nice part is 1 squared is just 1, so 1 times 3.14 is 3.14. So then we're going to take, oh, what happened up here? I see that. Tried to go fun on me too. Boom. So then we take the area of the square, which is 132. We subtract 3.14. 132 minus 3.14 equals 128.86. So 128.86 is what that equals when we take this minus that. And so this becomes our answer right over here. And it does say up here, round to the nearest 100th. 100th is 2 decimal places. So this answer right here is correct. I'll shrink it so it fits. And that's our answer right there. All right, let's do the next problem. Okay, problem number 2. Now we have the circle shaded, and we have a rectangle that's not shaded. So we've got to do the same thing, just kind of in the reverse order here. So the first thing we've got to do is we've got to take pi times radius squared. So we need to take 3.14. Oopsie, why is that showing up there? Let's move that off to the side a little bit. 3.14 times 11 squared. There we go. And that equals, when we do all that fancy math, I'm going to shrink this a little bit. And see, 11 squared is 121. And so 121, let me grab my calculator, see if it's still working here. I'm kind of losing battery power. All right. 121 times 3.14 is 379.94. And make that fit a little nicer. There we go. Then the rectangle, which is 4 by 6, well, 4 times 6, that just simply equals 24. And when I take 379.94 minus 24, and again, we're rounding our answer to the hundredth, so this will work out fine, is going to be 355.94. I'll shrink that up so that fits. So again, 379.94 minus 24 is 355.94. So you find the area of both shapes, and then you subtract out the unshaded one from the shaded one. And that's how you're doing shaded areas. Hope that makes sense, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.